Welcome to my channel. Today we've got this DCN660 Type 2 nailer, and I'm going to show you what's wrong with this one today. You see him pulling the trigger and it will not fire. There's something you can try before you get into the heavy stuff, and that's just cleaning the switch, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Now we've got her opened anyway. First thing we do is cut this tape here to get access to the switch. Down closer you can see that there's a bit of debris in there, and what we do with that is we use this stuff, electrical contact cleaner. We get right in there with it. Clean up that whole area. So use airline to dry it out. Then we just simply put the switch back together. We've got to re-tape this because we cut the tape. Right, we've it all back together, so we've got to give it a try now. Pull battery.